Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about two simple but powerful habits that can help save lives and show real responsibility on the road. 1. Why every driver should have a first aid kit in their car, and 2. Why drivers must respect and value pedestrians. If you're a road user of any kind, this message is for you. 1. Why you need a first aid kit in your car. Accidents can happen anywhere, and not just major crashes. Someone might get a small cut, a burn, or even faint during a trip. That's why a first aid kit in your vehicle is not optional, it's essential. Immediate response saves lives. If you're first on the scene at a crash or breakdown, a first aid kit allows you to provide basic help while waiting for emergency services. It handles minor injuries. On a road trip, a scraped knee, insect bite, or headache can be handled quickly if you're prepared. It shows responsibility. Carrying a kit tells passengers and fellow road users that you are a responsible and caring driver, not just for yourself, but for others too. What should be inside? Bandages and gauze, antiseptic wipes and cream, scissors and gloves, pain relievers, emergency contact numbers. Keep it organized, waterproof, and check it regularly to replace expired items. Remember, it's not about expecting accidents, it's about being ready to act when they happen. Let's talk about pedestrians, the most vulnerable group on the road. Every day, millions of people walk to school, work, markets, or bus stops. But sadly, many are hurt or killed because drivers fail to pay attention or give way. Pedestrians have the right to safety. They don't have airbags, helmets, or steel frames. Just legs and trust. When they cross a road, they're relying on you, the driver, to be alert and respectful. Children and the elderly need extra care. Young children can be unpredictable. The elderly may walk slowly. In both cases, your patience and awareness can literally save a life. Respect crosswalks and school zones. Always stop at marked crossings and never block them with your vehicle. In school zones, reduce your speed and stay focused. 1 second of distraction or impatience can change a family's life forever. Valuing pedestrians isn't just about following traffic laws, it's about respecting human life. Let's wrap up. Carry a first aid kit, not because you expect danger, but because you're ready to help. Value pedestrians, because they depend on you for their safety, and every life matters. Being a good driver means more than just controlling a car. It means driving with care, compassion, and responsibility. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world road safety tips. Until next time, drive smart, respect others, and stay safe.